Mzansi, welcome to Mkosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Kunelevesi lelithi bantu bami abayafa ngokuswela ini lwati. I think it's a perfect verse for people who are actually following bafundisi bemanga, bafundisi nje lo mbona umfundisi ukuthi akathathi kahle mfundisi lokudlisa tshani nathi sijiki just because wena uyamthemba ngoba uthi ungenza ezulwini umfundisi wakho. So this pastor waseGhana uthembise abantu ukuthi yena angashintsha amandi into wine. Okay, bafika abantu obaqwala bahlala phansi labanye bema abalinza nabo bafuna iwayini phela bafuna iwayini bantu bahlala Nkosi yami balenza mfundisi ukuthi ashintshe imandi awende iwayini banathe abantu batsakwe. Guess what, it's been 3 days mfundisi solo zama akushintsha amandi into iwayini usolo balinza abantu kuthiwa abantu nje solo bahlala khona lapho bahleli khona. It's been 3 days balenze mfundisi kokuthi ashintshe mandi awende iwayini. Siyambona nje mfundisi ukuthi ushaya double check China laphaya ubusy userious mfundisi uyasebenza cause yakholwa ukuthi lokhu la kukhulumako kutowendeka lokulathi wenda kona yena futhi kutowendeka because une-faith, because he's a man of God. Guys, mina ngiyangithusa yadi mase ngithemba yonke into esondweni, because even iBhayibheli yasho ukuthi ekugcineni kwetinsuku kuyoba khona bafundisi bemanga nabaprofeti bemanga. But nibe safe all. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.